How do you write about the loss of life when you're lost for words? There is only hurt inside. How do you know when it's time to let go? When the memory is the only thing that you can hold. I'll do it the only way that I know how. So goodbye, my friend. I'm sure we'll see each other again behind the light. Oh, behind the light. Save a seat for me and everybody who will love you for the rest of their lives. Lay down the fight. I'll see you on the other side. See you on the other. Lay down your fight. See you on the other. Forever 23. So much left to see, and so much left to do, and so much more to be. And this ain't life's unfair, and ain't that the truth? But all the good advice ain't no use to you. So there's only one thing that I can say. Oh, goodbye, my friend. I'm sure we'll see each other again behind the light. Behind the light. Save a seat for me and everybody who will love you for the rest of their lives. Lay down the fight. I'll see you on the other side. Goodbye, my friend. I'm sure we'll see each other again behind the light. Behind the light. Save a seat for me and everybody who will love you for the rest of their lives. Lay down the fight. I'll see you on the other side. How do you write about the loss of life when you're lost for words? There is only hurt inside. How do you know when it's time to let go? When the memory is the only thing that you can hold. I'll do it the only way that I know how. So goodbye, my friend. I'm sure we'll see each other again behind the light. Oh, behind the light. Save a seat for me and everybody who will love you for the rest of their lives. Lay down the fight. I'll see you on the other side. See you on the other. Lay down your fight. See you on the other. Forever 23. So much left to see, and so much left to do, and so much more to be. And this ain't life's unfair, and ain't that the truth? But all the good advice